Hello, hi.
Hi, how are you, teacher?
Thank you. Welcome, dear learner. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes. Hi, my name is Hani Salah Mohammed. I live in Slimani City. I'm a student in 8th grade in Shea.
Okay. What level of the course are you in now?
I'm in the last week of third month. We are going to the fourth month.
Sweet honey, what are your favorite lessons in the course?
Yeah, my favorites are, all of them are best, but my favorite is speaking because like our teenagers, when we learn a language, the only problem we have is not having enough people to speak with it. So when we have speaking class, we can speak with a teacher, with our friends. It's the best.
Sweet honey, what is the best way to study in our course in order to improve? In your opinion, why are there still some people find it very difficult to learn and speak the English language?
Yes, for the first part of the question is the best way to study English is don't give up and make your dreams reality. I always dream with to speak with an English native teacher or friends. So our academy make my dream reality, and it's the best way to don't give up and study. You need, like, I don't say it's not need any time to study. It needs time. Like I only every Friday I going to like use 5 or 6 hours to finish all the video in the application, and after that 2 or 3 hours to study in it. That's part of the question. I think it's their imagination. So much people like this. They said, I'm never going to learn English. I will never going to
Yeah.
learn English. I can't. So that's their imagination.
Yeah. So have you ever participated in another course before you joined our academy?
Yes, I participate in 2 courses.
Two, okay. What are the difference between our academy translation diploma and your previous courses?
Yes, the difference are a lot. I learned English for 2 years, like for 3 months of the first summer and the 3 months for the second year. So like I was learn a little bit of English, but when I joined this translation diploma of English in our academy, the first and the second months was the best of the like the translation diploma time, because you learn a lot of things in there, and like give you more advice of English, learning English. That's the best.
Mm-hmm. So, were you satisfied and happy with the course? What is
Yes,
your opinion about your classmates?
yes, I'm very satisfied with the course, and I have to thanks a lot for my teachers and my friends. They help me so much. Anytime they help me. If my question is not about the course or in the course, out of the course, they will always answer me with their information.
Okay. So, were you satisfied with our academy staff and the teachers and overall?
Yes, I'm very satisfied. I love them so much and thank them so much.
Great. Thank you.